Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I have the gloves on. I've got the Payne's grey out, so it's a very dark colour and I don't want to get covered in it. And I've got some metallic earthy colours here. These are my leftover paints from my last pour. And I'm going to do a long swipe through the middle here with some Payne's grey negative space on the outside. So let's get started. I want my predominant colour to be the reddy tone. This is a pearl marmalade by Arteza mixed in with some burnt sienna, and it is quite the lovely colour, nice and deep. It's like the red sands in outback Australia. And I've got some gold here. Now this is a mixture of Arteza golds. There's just the straight gold and I think Aztec gold, and there's some bronze in there as well. I really like their bronze colour, but there wasn't a lot of that left. This is a champagne gold and it has some of the extreme sheen colours in it. I might be coming too close to this edge. I'm going to put a bit of this colour, which has got some buff, titanium buff light, and some iridescent white by Liquitex. A little bit of brown here through the middle. I don't want as much of this. I'm just going to put a little bit here. Just because my last painting it did overtake a little bit. What do I want to put through here now? Let's put a streak of gold. And I'm going to put a little bit of the burnt sienna marmalade colour up there and over here. Now because I've got it on the ends, it should end up being the main colour because I'll be dragging that through. I think that's all I need to make sure that I get my Payne's grey in the corners. I don't know, what do you reckon? Does that look about right? I'll just fill in these little gaps with colour maybe. A little bit of the gold. So we're going to have quite a bit of these colours left. Maybe I should have done a bigger canvas. Bit of the cream up here. Cream of the crop. It's not actually cream. It's more like a pearl, but it's probably got the least of the metallic shine in it. And on my last painting it did come up a little bit, so there's quite a bit there. It's all on that side though. Where is my swipe tool? Alright, I think I'm going to use this one. I haven't used this one for a while. Getting close to the edge here already. And I've got something in here. Where's my tweezers? These are these tweezers. Would you believe this was what I got in my Christmas bonbon this year? Christmas cracker. I thought, oh, perfect. I know what I want, what I'll use those for. Most of the time you just get rubbish in them, but yeah. All right, I am going to do 2 swipes. And I'm going to swipe with black. Yep. Let's do it. I won't go all the way to the end. Don't think. Been dripping all over there already. I hope this one works. Alright, here we go. Oh no, it came off. But I'm not going to panic about that. What can I do with that? I wonder if I can make that something. Did it again here. I like that. That's quite pretty. But what can I do with that? Do I want to do a squiggle? I don't think so. What I could do is maybe a bit of a drag from here. Oh, this could stuff it. I don't know how confident I feel about that. What have we got here that's dripped off? Got some nice cells there. Wonder if I can collect these. Just trying to create something interesting here. Alright, I'm going to try a little bit of a that'll be fine. Let's stretch it out. I think I need to do the design sides first. I'm going to speed this up. I'm going to add some black here. Oops, I've just taken my push pin out. Oh no. Okay, I've got to touch up my black. I think that's really good. I'm happy with that. I'm so happy with that. If I can get the corner cleaned up nicely, then I'm going to be ecstatic. A tiny bit of gold on that corner. Nice. There's a tiny bit of cream needs to be covered up over there, but yes. The burnt sienna, and I've got a lot less of that brown, metallic, deep brown on this one. And the burnt sienna and gold seem to be the dominant colours. The cream helps lift it a bit. This ended up being quite just nice through the middle there with a bit of a fading, so I like that. Quite a bit of fading here on the edge, which is nice. So just a bit of touch-ups and then I will bring you in for the wet result. Okay, here is the wet result. And I am very happy with this one. I love the blend here with the lacing that's sunk through. We've got some bubbling coming up with the burnt sienna. That looks kind of cool. Got minimal amount of brown, but enough just to set things off a bit. And then we've got the light colours coming up through here. This blend here with the burnt sienna and the cream actually looks pretty nice as well. And the lacing through here is beautiful. And then we've got this softness of just the gold blending into the Payne's grey. I like it. The edges all look really good as well. I don't know if you can see that, it's a bit dark, but the edges have come out nice. So I am going to cover this one up with a net to stop bugs flying into it, and I'll bring you back when it dries. We've also got this here, the cream is bubbling up through, so that I expect is going to develop a bit more. It's actually probably the champagne gold, but we'll have to wait and see how much that develops. Yeah, I'll bring you back when it's dry. Okay, here is the dry result, and I love this one, guys. I'll bring you in for a closer look. Actually, first we'll show you the shine. Check that out. So shiny, particularly the champagne gold. And the champagne gold has bubbled up. But these bubbles are so pretty. They are super pretty. And it's balanced, which I love. And then we've got the different colour bubbles up here. You can also see the black on Payne's grey lacing, which I love. The lacing through here is really pretty. In fact, I mean, the lacing everywhere is really good. Here they look like, it looks kind of 3D-ish, I guess. Blends through here. And we've got this big bold bit coming through and some cream up the top, gives it a bit of lightness. And down here we've got that blend of colours. Yeah, I'm really happy with this one, guys. So happy. I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.